Natural light was everything. We planned the entire layout around how the sun moves through the space, from soft morning light in the kitchen to golden hour in the living room. Light here isn't just about function, it's about emotion. I'm Reena Simon, creative director, designer, author and founder of Hygge for Home. We're here in my home in Cardiff, also known as the Black House. When we came across the bungalow, it really wasn't, an attractive property, but it was the plot. It was just surrounded by trees and nature. It just didn't feel like we were in the city. My style has always leaned towards Scandinavian influences, calm, clean, but with soul. Over time, I started embracing more contrast. We've got soft lime wash walls, black timber, and textured materials. Our house is northeast facing, so we knew that we wouldn't have the benefit of the sun streaming in, and so we wanted to maximise the natural light, and that's why we gave up walls for floor-to-ceiling glass on the first floor and the top floor. When we were designing the house, our girls were really young, and we really wanted to benefit from an open plan footprint and living space, because we just thought about being together for all of those moments in the day, from breakfast right up until bedtime. So we did design a very kind of sociable house. From the moment we bought the house, we knew we wanted to have indoor-outdoor living, so the doors were really important. We didn't want to just look at nature, we wanted to feel immersed in it. I chose industrial style glazing rather than clear glass. I felt like architecturally and design wise it offered something different. It just added character, another texture. I love the way that the doors can slide from one wall to the other wall, and they can also stack and sit in the middle, so we can experience movement around the house. With Maxlight, the boundaries blur. We open the doors and the house breathes. When people walk into our home, I want them to feel calm and tranquil. And I really do think that that's a feeling that people gain, because as soon as they walk in, they see views of the outdoors. They can see the trees swaying in the background. It makes the whole house feel like it's exhaling.